Hi, besties. It's Scooby. I don't know what vlog number this is, but mom says it's 2. Anyway, so when my parents got me home, my mom got me this huge bed with a balcony. I mean, I loved my new apartment. What a view. For my papa's birthday, mom got me my first beer bottle. And oh boy, I loved it so much. I guess I was intoxicated too. The next morning, he lifted me to show me the view. But honestly, I was just too hungover to understand. They then took me for a drive that day, and I slept on the wheel, guys. I mean, how irresponsible are my parents? Didn't they care for my life or something? I think maybe we should alert Paw Protective Services. Just saying. Anyway, I'm too tired, so I'm just going for a nap right now. I'll see you in part 2. Bye-bye.